Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. So just another layout overview. There's probably going to be like that all week. My husband wasn't feeling good, so he was napping on the couch, which was right there, and I didn't want to make any noise, so I just created and didn't talk, right? So plus this is a lot easier. In about 4 hours got like 10 layouts done without having to stop and do the fun, the fun part where I talked and I do the layout with you guys. But this, I had a lot of fun creating. The inspiration came from this little very thin piece of paper. I believe it's all from Vicki Boutin's line, to do She Loves Color from this past year, 2024. So and then I seen this and I had this sitting out that said #photobomb. I don't remember where it's from, but Paula was going around and taking a picture of all of the people in our group, and so that she could show her husband, so that he had like faces to go with stories. And she was taking one with Ellen, who was our new friend. She was at our table, and I am a classic photo bomber. So I just jumped in, and they were laughing, and then I was like, okay, you can take your pictures. And then this is just another one of when we were getting ready to go take our group photos, and Jean made all of these hats, these little witchy hats. And then you got Vicki, and there's Rachel, and that's my chair. I'm not sure who's sitting there. That could be Fran. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. So it's just kind of like a snapshot group photo. So because I had this sheet here, I just went ahead and did paper tearing of the peachy coral color, and then the pea green color, and then this teal color. And then up at the top, I just used a strip of another piece of paper from this little page kit I put together, some of the washi, and so now we're going to work from here to here, right? Because there's a lot going on here. I had a lot of fun. I was using up all the things because I have big packs of rando embellishments from Vicki and Paige of all the older collections, and I'm just trying to use that all up. So down here we have a smile, and I kind of did it all wonky and ran it off the page. I've got a snail, and it says, find what brings you joy and do that. I've got some washi mixed media back there, and then just a little puffy circle, a little sticker heart, and then a chipboard heart, which is from my stash. This banner, I had this noteworthy card as well. Sammy, can you turn that down? Sorry guys if you could hear him. I don't know. He is in the kitchen listening to something. Anyway, we used this noteworthy card, and I just kind of tucked it under there, and then I tucked that inspiration piece under the two photos and connected the banner. So now we're going up, and I put a little camera here, then another little squishy dot, my title, #photobomb awesome, and then this little kaleidoscope pictures. Then it kind of filters down into, there's this little piece of paper stuck there, then a little piece of paper stuck there, which is kind of bringing it down to the other washi. We have this chipboard piece that has amazing, and a little ladybug from my stash, and then a chipboard heart, sticker heart. Paula and Rachel actually sent me a little care package before I had my surgery last year, and these little scissors were in there, so I stuck, there was like a package of them, so I stuck them on there. I've got these little glasses because those two have glasses on. There's another little snail right underneath there. Squishy hearts, what kind of a calligraphy pen, memories made chipboard. Moving back up, this one says important stuff. Another little snail, then another little washi, like mixed media look, chipboard heart, squishy circle, a big chipboard camera, sticker heart, sticker butterfly, chipboard heart. And these are from my stash. I got those at She Loves Color. Squishy heart, and then these two little dragonflies, just because there were holes here. and there was a hole here, so I covered those up. Oh, and I put the amazing over here. And then we just got embrace your uniqueness, and I am here for the good times. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.